I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your transactions on Phemex, here's a straightforward way to view your payment history. Step 1. Log into your Phemex account. Start by visiting the Phemex website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet option in the main menu. Click on it to access your wallet details. Step 3. Select transaction history. In the wallet section, find and click on transaction history. This will show you a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 4. Filter your payment history. You can filter the transaction history by date type or status to find specific payments. Use the filter options available on the screen. Step 5. Review and export. After filtering, review your payment history. If you need a record, look for an export button to download your history as a CSV file. Remember, if you don't see your recent transactions, double-check the date filter you set. Sometimes it defaults to a shorter range than expected. I hope this guide helps you easily navigate your payment history on Phemex. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.